Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, it's nice to meet you. My name is Sandy, and I am really glad that all of you all are here. So let's get going on today's video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I received the most lovely Happy Mail today, and I had to show you this little postmark up here from, can you see it? France. And let me show you what is in here, you all. So first off, I'm just going to go from the top down. I have this really cool little ticket here. Maybe their transportation. I haven't looked it up yet. I'll look it up. And then she also made me some items, which is so sweet. Look at this beautiful little specimen card. And she kind of stitched around the edges and wrote down here that jardin, something of, I'll have to look that up, but it's of the garden. And maybe it's talking about the flower, but you can kind of get a better view of the flower here. I love this. This is so cute. And then this is some wallpaper, which is so cool to get some from France. And I love these blues and greens. So pretty, to make some tags or something out of that. And then here's another fun little, I'm assuming she made this, stamped on it. And I have this same stamp, which is kind of cool. Fun little piece. And then here's just some different little ephemera pieces. Look at the French writing on there. Love that. And these images. And then some music page. Look at this. Les enfants. Is that, I think that's children, les enfants. I'm really rusty with my French. But I love these. These are so adorable. To think about something special to do with those. And then some more kind of ephemera pieces. And then I'm assuming she made this as well. Love that. I can't tell if it's coffee or tea dyed. It looks coffee dyed. And then here's some more items she made. Don't you love these little tags? I like this. And I love the little kind of coffee looking stains on there. And look at the little cherries and strawberries. Love that. So, so cute. She did a great job on this. And then some more book pages. She knows I love mushrooms. Oh my gosh, look at these pages. These images are really, really cool. Love these. Wow. Such nice images. I like that they're sketched. They're not photographs, but they're really lifelike. Those are really cool. I love that. And here's a few more items. Now this, I have not seen this technique, and I'm going to have to try this. I like this. So she embossed, but then she did some dyes on here, which I love that. I think that's really cool. And then some heart embossed little tag. And here's a couple more embossed items here. Pretty leaf and flower. And here's a star one. And then here's another book page from a flower book. And I just love having all the French wording on there. And then look at all that on the back. So cool. And then I think she made this as well. You'll have to let me know if you made this, because it looks really, really, really old. So let me know if it's a book page or if you made this. And I'd love to know your technique, how you did that. That's really cool. And then another little piece from a magazine. Women's magazine. And like a cover of a children's book. I love that. Look at that. Aging on there. So pretty. Oh, and then a book page from it. Oh, how fun. I'll have to look up what that means. That's so cute. Oh, and some more pages from some magazines. I love these. How fun. So fun. Here's another one here. Some art images. Oh, and some map. I love map pages. Let's see, where is this from? I'm thinking this is where she lives, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Yeah, she lives up here. That's so cool. I love that. Yep. And then let's see, Normandy is close. Let's see if I can find Normandy on here. Oh, here's, I don't think Normandy made the cut on this, or the beach. This is the Normandy. But this Le Mont Saint-Michel, it's a tiny little island. I went there. And it's really cool. It's an island that, and I guess it's still true today, when the tide comes in, you can't get on or off the island. I mean, I guess with a boat, you can. That's so cool. I love how everything is in French. Because I have maps of France, but it's in English. Yeah, that's this area here. Yeah. So not too far from Paris. So cool. Love that. And another book page. I'll have to do a Google Translate on these. These are cute little dolls. Oh, and another map. Love that. So many book pages. This is so awesome. Like kind of an index. Yeah, index pages. Love having all the different little phrases. Oh man, and it looks like she did some faux rice paper. Look at those beautiful flowers. What a pretty napkin. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. And look at this one, y'all. Oh my goodness. She made me so many things. That's beautiful. I love the red and black. That would definitely go in a Paris journal. I'll have to save that for a Paris journal. Gorgeous. And then look at this beautiful, the flowers. So pretty. Love that. Oh, look at these postcards. Whoa. Oh, wow. I love the inking, the tint on there. These are so cool. 1913. Wow. How cool is that? And 1912. That handwriting on these are just gorgeous. And this, the little stamps on the front. Oh, and look at this pretty. This is another embossed, but then with the gold on top. Love that. And then these are really pretty. Are these actual, are these eco prints? Yeah, they're not, it's not raised, but this is really cool. I don't know. Or if she just printed on these. These are gorgeous too. Wow. Ooh, and then these look like some nice art ink, alcohol ink. And I don't know if that glimmer is picked up on there. Gorgeous color combinations. Wow. And then what kind of paper is this on? Heat transfer laser paper. Okay. That's good to know that you could use the alcohol inks on that. Oh, wow. And look at those colors. Gorgeous. Wow. Well, Knox, gosh, you spoiled me. These are stunning. Love, 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 love so much. Keep watching as I share with you a couple new purchases that I made. One are some die cuts from Joggles.com, and another one is some really cool fabric washi tape that I found on Amazon, and it is from 49 and Market. So keep watching. I just received an order from Joggles.com. And look how cute they wrapped this up in this kitty cat tissue paper. It's adorable. Stick around to see what's in it. This is the website, joggles.com. And I purchased 3 dies. This one, this lace doily die. I can't wait to try these. And then look at this one. Victorian lace die. And then this one I thought was kind of fun. Cheesecloth. Sorry for the glare. I love how they wrapped all these up. Can't wait to give them a try. This was my other purchase that came today. Plum Grove, 49 and Market. And the Scrappy Wife, she had bought this entire collection, Plum Rose, at one of the little scrap fairs. And so this is the fabric washi tape. Let's open it up. So I have another washi set from 49 and Market, and I really liked it. And this one is supposedly more like a fabric washi, and it feels like fabric. And I'll link this down below. I got it on Amazon. And this one feels like fabric. It feels like the Tim Holtz. Let's see if they all feel like fabric. Oh yeah, all of these do. Okay, I like that they're different widths. Look, I love this plum color. So pretty. This peeled up very easily. And let me try to get really close. Can you see the fabric weave in there? So cool. And these colors are so pretty. And it's not too thick. And there's no backing on it. So you just unroll it and stick it down. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. I like how this one, it's not really blueprints, but some sort of letters. And numbers. Very cool. And this has a bunch of like typed words, looks like. And they look like ink splatters. And again, the fabric pattern. So neat. And then a nice solid. This is what the package looks like if you're looking on Amazon. Thank you all so much for watching today. Remember to hit that like button, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Love y'all.